Having your AirPods connected but producing no sound is a common frustration. This issue arises when your device recognizes the AirPods via Bluetooth, but audio isn't actually being routed to them. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue, drawing upon the latest fixes and expert insights available as of early 2026. AirPods use Bluetooth to connect wirelessly to devices like iPhones and Macs. This wireless connection allows for seamless audio transmission without cables. AirPods rely on specific Bluetooth audio profiles. A2DP, or Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, handles high-quality stereo music and media playback. HSP, or Headset Profile, manages phone calls and voice communication. At the heart of AirPods functionality is the Apple H1 or H2 chip. This powerful chip manages Bluetooth pairing, audio decoding, proximity sensors, and ensures smooth wireless communication. When there's no sound from connected AirPods, it often points to a breakdown in the Bluetooth connection process. Possible causes include corrupted pairing data, interference from other devices, or outdated firmware. We'll show you how to check these factors. Start by resetting AirPods pairing, move away from potential interfering devices, and ensure AirPods firmware is updated through your iOS device. Before trying more complex solutions, start with these quick fixes. First, ensure the volume is turned up on your device. Also check the volume settings within any apps you're using, as some apps have their own audio controls that might be muted. Next, clean your AirPods and the charging case. Debris or earwax buildup can interfere with sound by blocking the speakers or microphones. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the earbuds and the interior of the case. Avoid using liquids or inserting anything into the ports. Finally, reset your AirPods. Open the charging case, then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for 15 seconds. You'll see the status light flash amber, then white. This clears any pairing issues and restores the AirPods to factory settings. You'll need to repair them with your device afterward. Outdated AirPods firmware can cause sound glitches. Ensure your AirPods and connected device are running the latest software. AirPods Pro 3 requires at least iOS 17.5 or later. Check for updates in your device's settings. A mismatch between firmware versions is a common cause for sound issues. For advanced troubleshooting, start by accessing your device's Bluetooth settings. Select your AirPods from the list of connected devices and choose Forget this device to remove the current pairing. After forgetting the AirPods, put them back in pairing mode by opening the case near your device and select them from the available devices list to repair. This fresh connection often resolves sound issues. Next, check your device's accessibility settings. Look for the mono audio option, which combines left and right channels into one. If enabled unintentionally, it can cause sound problems. Also check the balance slider, which controls the volume ratio between left and right speakers. Ensure it's centered for balanced stereo sound. Adjust as needed if audio seems off. These accessibility features are designed to help users with hearing needs, but they can sometimes interfere with normal audio playback. Disabling mono audio and centering the balance should restore proper sound. Inspect your AirPods for any physical blockages in the microphone or speaker mesh. These small openings can become clogged with dust or debris, preventing sound from coming through. Use a soft, dry brush to gently clean the mesh areas. Be careful not to push debris further in or damage the delicate components. If you're using AirPods Max, check the headphone jack adapter for any physical faults or loose connections that could prevent audio output. Battery degradation can also affect sound performance. Try fully charging your AirPods and the connected device before attempting further troubleshooting steps. Bluetooth signals can be disrupted by Wi-Fi routers, microwave ovens, and crowded wireless environments. Move away from potential sources of interference to restore clear audio. If you use your AirPods with multiple devices, disable automatic switching and select a single trusted source to prevent conflicts. Resetting Bluetooth on all your Apple devices may be necessary to resolve persistent connection issues. If none of these steps work, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hardware diagnostics and potential warranty claims. Remember that AI-driven diagnostics and proactive fixes are on the horizon, potentially eliminating many of these issues in the future. Keep an eye on iOS updates and new AirPods features for ongoing improvements.